Okay guys, welcome to another fantastic episode. Today what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove this sprocket and put it on this new rim. Okay guys, so the first order of business, we need to bend these tabs open so that we can access and put a socket on these bolts. So let's just go ahead and do that now. Good. Okay, so what are we going to do now? I think let's get the sprocket and nuts cleaned up and then we can transfer them onto the new rim. Okay, so I've just got some ordinary fuel in here to clean this with. Okay, so that's the sprocket done. I'm just going to dry it with these paper towels. The air is also drying it quite fast since I'm just using fuel. It just evaporates like instantaneous. Okay, let's quickly clean these bolts and these two plates. I'm just tapping them dry. So great. I think now we can start reassembling. Done, guys. Thanks for watching.